Good morning, guys. Guys, I know these noodles look so dry, but I don't like a lot of like juice in my noodles. But these are red bean noodles. They look like this. I'm eating my leftovers from last night, but I did make these noodles since I ate half my food. I got my king crab left over, also my 2 pieces of corn and a little bit of crab, snow crabs there. And then I have the butter sauce with the potatoes in there as well. Guys, these noodles, fire. And they are a bit spicy. But that's cool because, you know, we like spicy. Okay, there's dogs barking outside and I can't right now. Guys, last night I deep cleaned my kitchen so well and I fell right to sleep. I think I was so tired last night I wasn't even enjoying my food. I was trying to hurry up and eat so I can get it over with. These noodles are so bomb. Ooh. I haven't even touched the crab leg yet. Guys, and a lot of people ask, how do you like reheat crab legs? I don't put it in a microwave. I just reboil the crab legs. I like let the water boil and I'll have it in the pot for like a good 5-10 minutes. Good 5 minutes. Because I don't want to like overcook the crab leg, you know what I'm saying? So, yes. So like, here it is again, you know. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I get the point. Go ahead and eat a potato. Guys, I actually woke up this morning craving this. Like, I'm sorry. I was so tired last night, man. And I'm trying not to overeat because I am gonna go to dinner in like the next 4 hours, and yeah, I feel like when I eat big meals I'm like full for a really long time. Bro, this king crab, where I put, bro, I have to walk all the way over there. I'll be right back. I gotta go get the scissors. Yes. So guys, this headband came in handy, y'all, because I got a blowout yesterday and I was like, I'm not trying to put it in a bun, you know, and it just came in handy because it pulled my hair right on back. I just mopped my floor last night and I'm not trying to make a mess. Dang, Court. Get it together, girl. Crab meat is so huge, man. I'm just, or look. Just dip it right on in this sauce, you know. Shit is so fire. Guys, good afternoon, by the way. See, it's all, you guys can't even see. It's so bright in the background because like all that natural sunlight is coming in, but I'm just like, hey. Oh my God, this king crab leg is pokey. Jesus. Oh my gosh, fabric scissors really does the justice. Like, eating king crab legs and using fabric scissors is the best. Because these are already like strong. Wait, did I break them down? No. These are already like strong scissors. And I do feel like they do get the job done. But the worst thing is like cracking this open because you don't want to cut yourself. And I think I cut myself on my finger yesterday. I did because I have a band-aid on. Ow. Okay. It's like the benefits of eating king crab leg is the meat. But the con is getting cut, you know? Getting cut, especially if you don't know how to crack them open right. But even if you do know how to crack it open right, you still gotta be careful because you can't easily cut yourself. Like, easy. Like, do you wanna squirt some lemon on this, baby? See? Yum. Look at that. All right, damn y'all, I'm already getting full. This is crazy. After this, man, I'm gonna literally relax. All right, y'all, this is like the really this is the great part. Like, this is, oh my gosh. I can tell there's a lot of meat in here. I can feel it. Wow. That is a lot of meat in there. Come on. Just come on out. Just come on out. It's like crab legs were meant for us to eat. Eat them. Guys, look how huge this is. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, this is gonna be my thumbnail for sure, because this right here though, this, oh my God. Do y'all see how big this meat is? Jeez Louise. Like, oh my gosh. Oh. You know, you want to put lemon all over this. Super lemonade. You know, dip it in this sauce or whatever. Y'all, Cookie was literally looking at me like, I want some. Wow, that was a big piece of meat. Wow. And guys, it's sweet. Y'all hear that? Garbage truck. Wow. I want to squeeze more lemon on here. Mmm. Mmm. Bro, I can seriously just eat this with lemon. Wow. Fire. Mmm. Damn, that was fire, y'all. That last piece is like what I needed. And I wish I would have tasted it like that. Yes, it was still good yesterday, but it's like I taste everything now because I'm not sleepy. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Kind of want to put some lemon in here in my noodles. Guys, lemon makes everything taste so much better. This, God, What else do I have in here? Freaking these baby crablet. I hate eating those little crab legs because there would be nothing in it. Got some more meat. All right, y'all. I'm getting stuffed again. So I have these, but I think I even want to eat that. Yeah, that was fire. Well, guys, thanks so much for watching my video. If you guys like videos like this, just make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want me to do like ASMRs or mukbangs, more like mukbangs, and I'll totally get those videos out for you guys. This video is for people who like watching stuff like this, because I know not a lot of people like watching stuff like this, but you know, I wanted to do it anyway. I was like, I might as well, since I have crab legs in the refrigerator, I might as well go ahead and record this for my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button if you lasted this long, and also go ahead and press that bell notification so you guys can be notified when I post new videos each and every week, okay? But I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.